Alrighty, so in this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the client portal. So the first thing you want to do as an admin is you're going to set the URL that your clients will log into, because they'll have their own link that they log into. So you can go to My Profile and then come down here to Settings, and then you'll be able to see, and you can set this. So we've already set this to Whoa, but you can type whatever you would like there. You can also add a logo that you want to appear for your clients in their instance of Whoa. So you can set those things up. That needs to happen. You only need to do that once, right? Then let's actually log into a client portal from the perspective of one of your clients. So let's choose Acme Marketing, and we will go over to client users. We have already created a client user in there. If you need help doing that, check out that article on how to create a client user. So we are going to take this information, copy this email address, and then the password, right? The password will have been sent to the client. And then if you ever need to reset that password, you can click Reset Password here and reset that. But we're going to take this right here, and then we will go to this link, and we will copy or paste the password, type in the email rather, and type in password. All right, now we are in your client's version of Whoa. So this is what they're going to have access to. So immediately pops up a tickets and requests, because this is one of the most common features that they will be using. So we're going to walk through each of these things over here. So a ticket and request is something that your client initiates, right? So your client initiates a ticket, and then you are able to respond to the ticket and take care of whatever that issue might be. So there's a variety of use cases here, right? One example might be if you build websites, right? So you have clients who you're doing website work for. So let's say so your client would be able to make a request like, hey, please add this picture to the homepage, or please update this form, or hey, we noticed the link on the about page wasn't working. They can click add request, type in whatever they need it, define what type of request they would like just by typing in a descriptor, and then they can upload any relevant files that'll help you. So then they hit save, it'll show here, and then on your side, you will be able to see that and you will be able to respond to it. All right. So approvals will go up here. So approvals is going to be something that is initiated by you. So you will send something to the client. They will approve it. They'll be able to view it and then approve it or reject it and give reasons why. So that could be, for example, if you're a graphic designer and you are creating social content and or any type of content, right? You would create the content, make an approval, send it to them. It would show up in their Whoa. They would be able to look at it, approve it, and if they didn't like it, they could tell you why. We also have a chat, which is just that. It's a client chat. So that is just, back and forth, almost like, text message, but through Whoa to kind of clean up communication with your client there. You can choose to do all your communication right here. We also have tasks. Tasks are going to be, once again, something initiated by you. So you will be assigning tasks to your client. So this would be, for example, really probably useful during a lot of your onboarding process. So whether that's website credentials, assets like logos, colors, whatever that might be, you can create tasks and then have your clients just simply go through the tasks and check them out. So this is trying to avoid things getting lost in emails. Right? Oh, I sent you that logo. I sent you those website credentials. I sent you those social credentials, all that, right? You can create tasks and then just keep a track of exactly what you need to do or what the client needs to do so that you can do your job more easily. The folder is going to be like a shared drive, right? So any asset, you can create folders, right? So we could create a folder. We could call this logos, right? So the client could create a folder called logos, and then they would be able to upload all of their logos there, and then you would also have access to those files. So this is super helpful so that things aren't getting sent as attachments over email, right? You don't have to create a Dropbox or WeTransfer or anything like that. You just have a shared folder with your client. You're able to organize all your client's access right here in Whoa, and it's accessible for you and your client. Reports is also going to be helpful if you do any sort of monthly reporting. This is something that's initiated by you. So the client can't do anything here but view reports. So you can upload a report, share it with the client, and then that'll show up here. So you also have, they will have all the notifications here, and then they will be emailed as well. So that is an overview of the client portal from the client's perspective. And we'll also have, I'll show you how to do each of these things as well and how to manage all of that in other videos.